Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Bianca. For today, I am going to be creating a look for you guys. I am using contacts today. I believe the color is called, it's either Puke, no wait, I'm totally wrong. I think it's Fairy. You can get them at Luxe Babe Fashion. She does have an Instagram. I'll go ahead and put the app right here. You guys, these freaking cases are awesome. So I bought these off of Shein. They come with like the contact holder and then like the little pincita to grab the contact. It has made putting the contacts on for me way easier. It also comes like with a little bottle so that you can carry your contact water in it. I still don't know exactly what look I'm gonna be using, but we're gonna go ahead. Wait, what? I still don't know what palette we're going to be using, but we're gonna go ahead and prime our face real quick. We're gonna use the Pretty Fresh primer from ColourPop. I'm just gonna let the primer suck into my skin. So I'm gonna quickly do my brows and I'll be right back. I'm also gonna look for the palette in the moment. Okay, so we already went ahead and filled in our brows. To go ahead and fill my brows in today, I just used the Anastasia of Beverly Hills brow gel, and it's this one right here. To fill in my brows, I just went ahead and I used this brush, the spoolie part of it, and then I pretty much just brushed my brows up and then just shape them. We're gonna go ahead and now carve in our brows. To carve my brows, I usually use a flat brush. This right here. I don't know if it's Ruby Kisses or, let me see, it's RK by Kiss. For concealer, vamos a usar este de aquí. It is the Fit Me Concealer in the color 20 Sand.
Hey there, early risers. Reclaim your routine, and if pain is holding you back.
For today's look, I decided to use JUVIA'S palettes just because I have not used them as much since I bought them. So I don't know, I want to put them to work and see what look we come up with these palettes. I couldn't make up my mind between the three that I have, so I'm gonna be going into these three right here. The DOUCE by JUVIA'S. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you guys the colors. Let's see what we come up with today. Okay, and then we have the Sahara 2 by JUVIA'S. These are the colors in this one. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I don't know, I don't know what colors to go into, so we'll see right now. Lastly, we have the Warrior 2 by JUVIA'S, and these are the beautiful shades. For sure we're gonna be using browns. For eyeshadow base, the concealer that I like to use is the P. Louise base. Okay, let's go ahead and begin priming these eyes. Okay, I'm gonna start with this eye today. Oh wait, I think I fucking put a lot. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna grab my little beauty blender and we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Primero, we're gonna go into a light color. Let me go ahead and grab a shading brush or like a blending brush. We're gonna go into Zama first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a different brush to blend this out. We're gonna go into the color TAZA. Now that I went ahead and cut my crease, I'm gonna go into this color right here next, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try to apply it at the edge just to give the shadow a little bit of color. This is the finished eye look. We're gonna go ahead and quickly do what we did to this eye, to this one. We're gonna now go into Berber. We're gonna also mix in this minty green color. This one has like a little weird name. It's called Chef Chawin. So we're gonna go ahead and mix in this blue and then this minty green together.
If you've had a life-threatening allergic reaction to it or have hepatitis B.
The beautifully made is out there.
Too crazy. Remember, it's a business dinner, not a costume party. What the hell are you doing? Right now?
Now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly apply my lash. To apply my lash, I'm gonna be using the Dual Quickset Strip Lash Adhesive. For lashes today, you guys, we are using Christy Lashes from ALCATRAZ DIVINA. I'm also gonna go ahead and link her Instagram down below so that you guys can go ahead and follow her and check out all the amazing new lashes she does have in stock. And she also does sell accessories and makeup products, so definitely check them out. In my waterline, I did went ahead and applied an RK by Kiss eyeliner, and this is a 24-hour EYEDEFINE eyeliner in the color Pastel Blue. So for today, this is the look that I decided to create. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I really hope you guys like it. I honestly love the colors. I feel like it's like a very glam look. Y siempre cuando uno no va a salir, cuando uno no va a hacer nada, es cuando el maquillaje le sale a uno mejor. Alright, you guys have a good night. I'll see you guys in my next video.